Welcome to ECPGR, the European Cooperative Programme for Plant Genetic Resources. ECPGR brings together most European countries to ensure the long-term conservation and sustainable use of plant genetic resources. Founded in 1980, ECPGR was established following recommendations from the United Nations Development Programme, the Food and Agriculture Organization and the European Association for Research on Plant Breeding. ECPGR is guided by a steering committee, made up of national coordinators from each member country. They appoint an executive committee of 5 members, responsible for planning and executing ECPGR activities. ECPGR is coordinated by a secretariat and financed by the participating countries. Its work is carried out mainly through working groups, each focusing on specific crops or thematic areas related to plant genetic resources. Working groups are composed of experts nominated by national coordinators based on their experience and interest. These groups play a key role contributing to the plant genetic resources strategy for Europe. Working group members carry out activities aligned with specific ECPGR objectives, contributing their own resources as in-kind inputs to the program and/or using ECPGR funds. Each working group is coordinated by a chair, proposed by the working group members and appointed by the executive committee. The chair, acting on a voluntary basis, fosters communication, promotes activities and keeps the group informed and connected. Working group actions typically take place through 2 main frameworks: grant scheme activities and working group meetings. Grant scheme activities are developed in response to calls for proposals. Any working group member may propose and coordinate an activity, in agreement with the chair. The chair may also organize online meetings or request funding for justified in-person meetings when needed. Lists of working group members and their email contacts are available on the ECPGR website under Working Groups and Contacts. As a working group member, you are encouraged to engage with the chair and other members to propose joint activities, exchange ideas, or ask questions, and you can always contact the Secretariat for further guidance. As a working group member, under the coordination of the working group chair, your responsibilities may include carrying out activities mandated by the steering committee or approved by the executive committee, initiating or participating in additional activities that align with ECPGR priorities, contributing to ECPGR initiatives such as EGIS, EVA and EURISCO, gather relevant information at the national level, and actively share knowledge with fellow members. Working group members also act as national contacts when needed, communicate regularly with national coordinators, interact with other groups, and contribute to the selection of new working group chairs. For a full list of responsibilities, read the ECPGR Rules of Procedures and Terms of Reference. Being a working group member means contributing your expertise to a European-wide effort, helping conserve crop diversity for future generations, and collaborating with experts across the continent. Thank you for joining ECPGR.